Hey there, I hope you're all doing well and having a good week. We are wrapping up the rest of the semester. I cannot believe we only have a couple weeks left and we will be done with fall 2018. I have posted your streaming media instructions. I apologize for not getting this done sooner. A lot of stuff came up last week and I wasn't able to do it, but you have 2 weeks to do it. It's not due until Monday, December 3rd, and I can play with that a little bit if emergency arises, but for the most part, it needs to be turned in by December 3rd via the VoiceThread software. I've given you a little bit of instructions on what to do, as well as a link to a VoiceThread tutorial, and I've also posted a PowerPoint in your actual assignment, as well as in VoiceThread for you to review. Please review that VoiceThread presentation that I completed prior to starting your VoiceThread, so you have a pretty good idea of what we're doing. But basically, all we're doing is combining the information that you researched for your SWAY and your PowerPoint, and we're putting it into a streaming media presentation using VoiceThread as if you were presenting the final project to me, okay? So a big part of your grade is going to be how to use the VoiceThread software. The information that you're doing, I want you to think about, and I say this in my tutorial, but I want you to present it to me as if you were presenting it in front of the class, okay? This is an online course, so we don't have the ability to present in front of me. So this is your virtual presentation to me to compile what you've learned over the last few weeks regarding your emerging technology, okay? It will be posted for your classmates to see on VoiceThread. I think there's a privacy button, but if you have any questions about that or unsure and don't want anybody to watch it, then let me know. I'm not requiring you guys to look at each other's voice presentations, but I will. That's how I'll grade it. I will actually view the presentations. For your SWAY, all you had to do was submit me a link to your actual SWAY, and so if you get a 0 in your grade book, and you don't know why because you did your SWAY, it's because I couldn't view it. So just, usually I try to leave a comment that says, please send me a link that I can view so I can grade. But my plan is to try to get those updated. Hopefully this week, I can't guarantee it, but hopefully tomorrow I'll have some more updated. It's Thanksgiving week, so Wednesday I'm going to be cooking all day because we're hosting at my house. So anyway, I think that's all we have with the addition of this and your final exam, which I hope to get posted by the end of the week. So if you have some time over the Thanksgiving weekend and you want to work on ITech 3000, you can get it done and then you'll be over with. But your final exam is not due until the 10th. So as long as it's turned in by the 10th, and I have no idea why my screen just went blurry. But anyway, if it's, when it focuses, when I kind of move around a bit. My camera wants to be crazy. Anyway, you can hear me. You get to see me as a blob. But anyway, your final exam, as long as I have it by the 10th, I can get final grades in because I think graduation, okay, we just came back to clear. Graduation, I think, is December 12th. So I'd like to get them in. No, that's the wrong month. December 15th is graduation. So yes, please, please have them in by the 10th so I can get, that gives me a couple of days to get everything graded and get your final grades in. What I will do is your final grade will go into Blackboard first. You'll get to see your numerical grade as well as your letter grade once everything has been put in. And then once everybody has completed and all grades have been calculated, then that will go into Banner. And that'll be your official grade that's with the registrar and will go on your transcript. But you'll have an idea. You don't have to wait for everybody to finish before you see your grades. So by the beginning of that week, probably the end of finals week, first of that next week, I should have a pretty good idea of everything graded, so you should see where you stand going into the last of the semester, okay? I hope everybody is having a great week. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for you guys. Just want to say that, and thankful to have a job that I love and enjoy teaching students. And I hope you have a wonderful couple of weeks. As always, you can email me if you have questions. If you email me with an assignment link, I'll be honest, I have not viewed the SWAYs yet. That's my next step. So I'll do the SWAY, and then I'll grade the PowerPoint, and then I'll get on to the final project. And if you finish it early, then I might be able to grade it early. Okay? Y'all have a great week, and I'll be in touch soon. Bye.